Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2015 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive, stock number X503A. Only 54,000 miles in this one owner. Local trade. We sold this Equinox brand new, black in color. You do receive the Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5, cloth interior. Very clean, as you can see. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. It's a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick with backup camera. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional power outlet. No dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, Pioneer sound system, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. With driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and CD player, heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect those media devices, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 3.6 liter V6, 301 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon and a city average of 23 on the highway, and approximately 75% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.